LCSC students of African history. I'm Professor Eric Martin, and welcome to the class, which won't always be conducted in my basement, which is like, I don't know, man, it's 1 degree outside or something like that. But anyway, this is a quick intro video just to kind of give you a little bit of context, show you what to do for the first week. So, um, this class is one of my favorite classes. I've taught this class a bunch of times. I've taught this class face to face a bunch of times. I've taught this class virtual remote on Zoom with a Zoom classroom interactive um, during the pandemic. That was really fun. I've never taught this class asynchronous online. And I was asked to do it this semester. I was a little leery about doing it. Um, but I thought I'd try it out. The word on the street is that y'all would like some additional um, asynchronous online classes. That's what I'm told. The deal is that some of my, like all my books and materials go from face to face to virtual remote to asynchronous, no worries. Some of my assignments don't translate as well without being overwhelming for both of us because there's a lot of writing and a lot of discussion involved, and then you throw in the discussion boards and you're writing in the discussion boards. You guys see what I'm getting at? And you're reading the discussion board. So I'm still trying to sort out some of the assignments in such a way that make it manageable for both of us. All right. So when you get in here and you see that some of these assignments, it's not like fleshed out from week 1 to 15, that's the deal. All right. It's fleshed out from week 1 to week 3, and then I need to reevaluate. And the other thing is, I need a live studio audience to talk with about this stuff, right? So, a little patience would be appreciated. I'm always available on Zoom. You can drop by my office if you're on campus. We can talk about things. Let me show you what you should be doing this week. Once you get to our course, however you get through the modules, whether it's through a link in the announcements or whatever, week 1. All right. And week 1 is not quite in the order that you would think it would be, but let me explain why and the order. So here's what you should do for week 1. First thing, first video is me going over the syllabus. Watch it. Let me know if you got any questions. The next video is me going over Canvas and how we're going to use the Canvas site. Watch it. Let me know if you got any questions. This stuff here, these are our 2 discussions. One of them is introductions and some issues about online courses. This other discussion is over a video about African history that we're going to watch. So, this 16-minute video sets up the 2 discussions. Now, why is it down here? Well, because I had a different video for the syllabus and for the intro to Canvas that I deleted, and I did it this way. So this is just what we're doing, okay? So this video here, week 1 intro, is explaining the discussion boards, how to handle that stuff, okay? And then finally, the last part of week 1 is optional viewing unless you've never had me for a course before. Or maybe if you've only had me for one course before. I give this lecture in History 101, History 102, History 200. Let's make sure we're on the same page about what history is. Okay, so you guys check that out. And I think that if you do those things, that everything else will fall into place. I want to emphasize that week 1, week 2, and week 3 are all interconnected with a assignment at the end of week 3. So you might shoot to week 3, see what that is. But this will keep you busy for now. Let me know if you have any questions, and welcome to the new semester.